and welcome to the EdgeHub, you asked us. Will online courses replace traditional course? Online courses have started to give tough competition to offline courses with the advancement of technology and the changing education scenario post the pandemic. Online courses have many advantages that gives it a clear edge over traditional ways, which include learning at your own pace from your own place. The flexibility of location and timing have been great drivers in the success of online courses. Online learning saves time and money. Besides being cheaper, online courses also helps in saving a lot of time and allows you to learn in your own time frame. Hence, online courses offer greater convenience and value with lesser investment, which definitely poses a competitive advantage against traditional courses. We at Talentedge believe that hybrid learning, interdependency of online learning with traditional learning is the future.